Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Google Hangout. Google Hangout is an awesome tool because it helps you to connect virtually and share a screen. You can also have conversation all on your computer without downloading anything. So it's a really good tool. So if till now you haven't subscribed to my channel, do hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the updates. So first thing you need is a Gmail account because Google Hangout is a part of Google. So once you are logged in, you can see this 3x3 grid. You have to click on this. Now you will be able to see many other apps. Here you have to scroll down to get Hangout. After clicking on Hangout, and one more thing, if you don't find Hangout over here by chance, then you can also click on Hangout, this hangout.google.com, and again you'll be started. Now this is the page that will appear in front of you. So Google Hangout has three primary features. First is text message. Here you can text using photos and other things also as you do in normal texting. And other two are phone call and video call. This is very great to use because in video call there can be maximum 10 people in a room for a small meeting or class. So now here first I'll be covering message. So when I'll be clicking on this message, this box will appear. Here to invite another people, you can write their name, their email address or telephone number, and you can even make a new group. So I'll be writing email. So as you can see, someone's email is coming. I'll not be clicking on this for text message, but I can show you how it works. I have to send that person a send invitation, so I'll not be doing that. But when you'll be clicking here and send invitation, this will be again the same box, but here you'll be having a spacebar to write the text. Now the second thing is phone call. You can have new conversations, so you have to click on this plus sign, add someone's number if you want to, and then call on that. Any number you want to. But yes, here if you want to do call from one country only and to your own country, from your own country to someone else who is also in your own country, then it will be free of cost. But like if I want to do call to another country, so the price may, some fees might be also there. Now if I click on this video call option, here you can see an option. From here you can send an invitation to the other person with whom you want to have a conversation. So you can enter their name or their email address, and you can also copy the link to share. Now if you don't want to show your face, you can put a line over this camera and this will show your icon. And if you want to mute yourself, you can put a line over this mic also. If when you will be using this app and if you are facing a problem that your voice is not going to the other person is unable to hear your voice, just remember to remove this line button from this microphone icon. Now here also you have three more options. From here I can do chat also, like if I write anything, it will be shown to the other person or other people who will be in this video call. And here this is the setting: video, microphone, speaker, bandwidth. You can do the settings or adjustments according to your need, and from here you can do invitation. So I'll be hanging out this. Now here you can see three lines. When you'll be clicking on this, these are the options that will appear. First is contact, then conversation, phone calls, invitations. This app can also be downloaded on Android, iOS, Chrome, Hangout Dialer. Now here this comes settings. Here you can change the settings as per your need. So with this I end my video. Do like, share, comment to my YouTube channel Grasping Grid. Thanks for watching.